how to install Tailscale on CasaOS. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can install Tailscale on CasaOS. So let's jump straight into it. First, make sure your CasaOS device is powered on, connected to the internet, and that you can open its dashboard in your browser. You'll also need a free Tailscale account, which you can create at tailscale.com by signing in with Google or Microsoft. Once you're in the CasaOS dashboard, open the App Store from the sidebar and search for Tailscale. Click Install and CasaOS will download and set it up automatically in the background. When it's done, launch Tailscale from your apps list and open its details page to access the interface. You'll see a button to log in or authenticate with Tailscale. Clicking this will open a browser tab where you can sign in with your Google or Microsoft account. Once you confirm, your CasaOS device will be linked to your Tailscale network. To verify it's connected, visit tailscale.com/admin and check for your device in the list. If it shows as active, you now have secure remote access to CasaOS from anywhere, no DNS setup, no manual VPN, and no exposure to the open internet. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.